Find dy by dx if x equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta, y equal to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. So here x and y are parametric functions. Therefore, to find dy by dx, we have to differentiate x and y with respect to common parameter theta. X equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta, y equal to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. So common parameter is theta, therefore differentiate with respect to theta, therefore dx upon d theta equal to derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, it is composite function, therefore dy dx of d theta of cos theta minus cos 2 theta, this equal to dy d theta of cos theta minus dy d theta of cos 2 theta. So it is simple, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, minus this into bracket, derivative of cos 2 theta is minus sin 2 theta, again it is a composite, d by d theta of 2 theta, this equal to minus sin 2 theta minus of minus plus sin 2 theta, again derivative of 2 theta, d by dx of 2x is 2, d by d theta is 2 theta is 2. So therefore this equal to minus sin 2 theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. Call this equation 1. Call this equation 1. Now consider y equal to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Differentiate with respect to theta, therefore dy by d theta equal to d by d theta of sin theta minus d by d theta of sin 2 theta, this equal to derivative of sin is cos theta minus derivative of sin 2 theta, it is a composite, cos 2 theta d by d theta of 2 theta. First find the derivative of cos, then find the derivative of 2 theta. So therefore cos theta minus cos 2 theta, this into derivative of this is equal to 2. Cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta, this is equation 2. So now to find the dy by dx, put 1 and 2 in the relation dy by dx. dy upon dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Therefore from 1 and 2 dy upon dx equal to so dy by d theta is from 2, that is cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta, this divided by minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta, this equal to cos theta minus divided by, so 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. So consider x equal to a into theta minus sin theta, y equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. So common parameter is theta, therefore differentiate with respect to theta. Therefore dx upon d theta equal to d by d theta of a into bracket theta minus sin theta. This equal to a, this into bracket d by d theta of theta minus d by d theta of sin theta. This equal to dy dx of x dy d theta of theta. So therefore dy d theta of theta is equal to 1. A into bracket 1 minus derivative of sin theta is cos theta. So call this is equation 1. Now consider y equal to a into bracket 1 plus cos theta. So differentiating with respect to theta, therefore dy upon d theta equal to d by d theta of a into 1 plus cos theta. This equal to a into bracket d by d theta of 1 plus d by d theta of cos theta. So derivative of constant is 0. A into bracket 0 plus derivative of cos is minus sin theta. This equal to minus a sin theta. So this is equation number 2. So now to find dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Substitute from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 dy upon dx equal to dy by d theta is minus b sin theta upon 2. Dx by d theta is a into, this is a sin theta by 2 and a into 1 minus cos theta. So this is sin theta, a sin theta. So dy by dx from 1 and 2 a sin theta a into 1 minus cos theta. This equal to minus a sin theta is given by 2 sin theta upon 2 cos theta upon 2 divided by a into 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta upon 2, because 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta upon 2. A get cancels, 2 get cancels, 1 sin theta by 2 get cancels. So this equal to cos theta upon 2 sin theta upon 2 followed by minus sign. So this equal to minus cot theta upon 2. Consider the problem. Find dy by dx if x equal to a into theta plus sin theta, y equal to a into bracket 1 minus cos theta, then show that dy by dx equal to tan theta upon 2. X equal to a theta plus sin theta y equal to a 1 minus cos theta. Common parameter is theta, therefore we have to differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta, therefore dx upon d theta equal to d by d theta of a into bracket theta plus sin theta. This equal to a d by d theta of theta plus d by d theta of sin theta. A derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1. Derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Call this is equation 1. Y equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. dy upon d theta equal to d by d theta of a into 1 minus cos theta. This equal to a d by d theta of 1 minus d by d theta of cos theta. This equal to a derivative of one constant is 0 minus derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, therefore this becomes plus, that is a sin theta. Call this is equation 2. Now to find dy by dx, dy upon d theta, dx upon d theta. From 1 and 2, 1 and 2, this equal to dy by d theta is a sin theta, dx upon d theta is a into bracket 1 plus cos theta. These two get cancelled. Sin theta value is 2, sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2 is divided by 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta upon 2. 2 get cancelled, 1 cos get cancelled here. Sin theta upon 2 divided by cos theta upon 2. This equal to tan theta upon 2. So as required.